Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a inline 4 2-liter turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with 8-speed automatic transmission. We got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a spiral trim, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you dual 10.25 high resolution screen for your instrument cluster and media display. New to Mercedes-Benz is touchscreen for our media display. We've also got touchpad steering wheel controls, which you are able to adjust the left side with the left steering wheel and the right side with the right side of the steering wheel. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes is our MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence. You're able to give it simple commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn on heated seats."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We've also got dual climate controls, USB port, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display. This GLB has 4,150 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB, check out feldmanimports.com.